Hi guys, in this latest video in the Online Writing Courses Exposed series, we dive into the back of AWAI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, and I tell you exactly what you can expect in part 4 of the course. Hi there, I'm Les Blythe, and in this video we're going to go behind the scenes of AWAI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect to find in part 4 of the course. That's going to be quite interesting. Now, with that said, I'm also going to give you a couple of bonuses which I'll tell you about to the end of the video, towards the end, so hold on to find out about that. Okay, right, with all of that said, let's dive in now, and I'm going to take you behind the scenes into my account and show you exactly what you can expect from part 4 of this industry-leading copywriting course. Okay guys, here we are back inside the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting from AWAI. In previous videos we've looked at the welcome and parts 1 through part 3, so in this video I want to take a look at part 4 for you guys. Part 4 here, let's just have a look there. Here's what to expect from part 4. As always, it's in this magazine format that we discussed previously. Looking here briefly at the contents, this is choosing your path. Now this is obviously when you've done your basic learning of copywriting. This is looking at kind of what you want to specialize in. In other words, your niche or your niche, where you want to be. So this takes you through copywriting in niche markets, business to business, which is kind of mainly the copywriting that I do, which is quite lucrative. Writing for the web, which is a huge thing these days. There's just so much business available in writing for the web. The world of information marketing, other options for living the writer's life. This is kind of down to what kind of lifestyle you want to live. Travel writing and photography, more about careers, and a section about specialization. Specialization is quite important. If you can kind of build your reputation in a particular area, the kind of work you can get is almost limited, and they give you some suggested reading resources, things of that nature. So as we always do, let's pick something something at random to look at. Let's look at business to business, see what the course has got to say about that, and it compares it to web writing and many of the other opportunities around. And this is important. Here are some of the benefits of choosing the B2B niche. It's a huge market. There's lots of work available, and there isn't much hard selling. If you're a specialist in this niche, there's a lot of business out there. And so it goes on to tell you the competition is low. You don't need a lot of writing samples. And if you've got prior experience, it's a great niche to be in to use your experience. Again, some of the things you've written, I've written all these things: case studies, video scripts, white papers, etc., etc. So that's it, just inside that one part of the choosing your path, part 4 of the course. As I say, it's comprehensive, and this will get you on the right road to get your head around specializing and pick a path that feels right for you and the way you want to go. Just another thing I want to say on this: you can choose a path you want to go. There's no reason at all that you can't, change your path at some point in your career. I've done it from where I started. As I found more lucrative markets, I changed my path a couple of times. So, whatever you choose as your initial path as a well-paid writer, there's no reason you can't change that and move on to something else. Okay, guys, that's it for the quick look inside part 4 of the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting. Okay guys, that's it for part 4 of the AWAI accelerated program for six-figure copywriting. I hope that you found that useful and it really gave you some inside information behind the scenes there. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing around. Perhaps it could help someone else as well. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, so when I've got more free advice and tips on copywriting and freelancing, I can send them to you. Okay, final thing is, as regards your bonuses, there's a link below this video. Go grab your bonuses now. I'm sure there's information there that's really going to help you. And I'll also, as you look at your bonuses, you're going to find out more about this course and more information to, as I say, help you on your way. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Ciao for now.